Hi everyone, my topic is all about polar bonds and molecules. Molecules is the smallest particle in the chemical element or compound that has the chemical properties of that element or compound. Molecules are made up of atoms that are held together by chemical bonds. A diatomic molecule is composed of only two atoms of the same or different chemical elements. The examples of diatomic molecules are carbon dioxide and oxygen. A heteronuclear diatomic molecule consists of two atoms of the same elements combined. Examples of these are hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, iodine, and bromine. A homonuclear diatomic molecule consists of two atoms of different elements chemically combined. Examples of homonuclear diatomic molecules are carbon monoxide, hydrochloric acid, and hydrogen fluoride. Next is polar bonds. A polar bond is a covalent bond between two atoms where the electrons forming the bond are unequally distributed. This causes the molecule to have a slight electrical dipole moment where one end is slightly positive and the other one is slightly negative. The charge of the electric dipoles is less than a full unit charge, so they are considered partial charges and denoted by delta plus and delta minus. Because positive and negative charges are separated in the bonds, molecules with polar covalent bonds interact with dipoles in other molecules. This produces dipole-to-dipole intermolecular forces between the molecule. Polar bonds are the dividing line between pure covalent bonding and pure ionic bonding. Pure covalent bonds share electrons pair equally between atoms. In ionic bonds, the electrons in the bonds are essentially donated to one atom by another. Electronegativity is the measure of the tendency of an atom to attract a bonding pair of electrons. The difference in the electronegativity of two atoms determines their bond type. If the electronegativity difference is more than 1.7, the bond will have an ionic character. And if the electronegativity difference is between 0.4 and 1.7, the bond will have a polar covalent character. Just remember, a polar bond refers to a type of covalent bond where electrons aren't equally shared and electronegativity values are slightly different.